Okay, so you can see that this is full to the 12 cup mark. It's going into a half-gallon mason jar, which is 6 cups, 7 cup, and the top is 8 cups. Not actually a 12 cup volume.
Yes, the problem is that there's no numbers. No numbers over here. Some kind of foreign language or something. And I love Mr. Coffee. I've had him forever, but this particular one was defective. Thank you.
So I bought this piece of crap. Check it out. It's plugged in. Obviously I have power. So if you hold the button down, it'll light up. You see that? Piece of junk. Is that what you want to do to make your coffee in the morning, guys? Not me.
Okay, this is a nice simple coffee maker. You add water, put your grounds in, it gets nice and hot. The only downside I would say to this coffee maker is that before leaving the house, you do have to shut it off. So, makes good coffee though. Enjoy.